너는 내 삶에 다시 뜬 햇빛 어린 시절 내 꿈들의 재림 모르겠어.
Hello everybody, I'm Jane and I'm checking in. So, these days, crafting and handmade gifts are trending rather than giving a ready-to-use gifts. More people make DIY gifts because it's simple, it's memorable, and it's cheaper. So today I'm going to show you how to make a handmade gift that is a pop-up card. It's pretty simple, it's memorable, and it's also cheap. All you need to prepare is just a paper and other decorative things. So, let's start!
지워진 꿈을 찾아 헤맸을까 운명 같은 하나말과 달라 아픈 너의 눈빛이 나와 같은 곳을 보는 걸 When you please stay in dreams yeah. 저기 멀리서 바다가 들려 꿈을 건너서 숲을 너머로 선명해지는 그곳으로 가 모래바닥이 갈라진대도 그 누가 이 세계를 흔들어도 잡은 손 절대 놓지 말아줘 제발 꿈에서 깨어나지만 저기 멀리서 바다가 들려 꿈을 건너서 숲을 너머로 선명해지는 그곳으로 가 Take my hands now You are the cause of my euphoria
It's pretty simple, right? You can also add some decorative things here, like maybe some photos, printable things, stickers, glitters, or other decorative things that maybe you think is beautiful. And also you can try it with another color. I also made this pink version besides red version. So, after watching this video, I hope you are inspired to make DIY gifts or handmade gifts and give it to your beloved ones. I'm Jane and I'm checking out.